LID, body refitting, front lights, mud guards. Okay, we do mud guards. And to do mud guards, I have this. This is silicone or something like this, and red, because on the Delta they were red. So I have this one that is an old one, just to have the measure. Then cut the pieces and mount on the inner fender. I have to study a little bit the best way to do this. I have to study a little bit because it's not easy to glue this on this. Before I made this iron part that passed through the mud guards and closed on the fender, and it takes the mud guard straight. I think that I will use this system again, and perhaps with a little bit of glue, the shoe glue. Yes, shoe glue could be nice. While I do the work, I don't want to bore you too much, so I will show you the progress of the work. Haha, very nice. Questo o questo. Eccolo. At the end, this is the result. My Delta has wonderful red mud guards, like the original. And we are ready for this mud guards. Done. LID body refitting. I washed the body. As you can see, it's very dirty. Then I try to fix this. Okay. Before I checked this circuit and it works. So I'm connecting the two wires to the engine wires. Then I have to change this because I have not another socket like that, and change with this one here. The socket is just to remove the body, and then connect this here. Then inside the body I have already this self-made, one for the position light and the other one for the brake light. A little bit complicated. The only pity is that this thing switch on the lights when I release the trigger of the power. Not when I brake, really. So these lights switch not exactly, but better than nothing. It's something from the 80s. Once it works like that, and perhaps also today. Okay, I don't want to bore you showing you all the things. I will show you. Dopo. We say in Italy dopo, after, dopo. Okay, all the wiring is mounted. Lot of wires. This is the switch for the lights. This is the switch for the car, for the radio. This is the switch for the brake lights, connectors for lights, brake lights, and in front lights. Battery. We have the source of energy for lights from the battery and for the stop from the motor wire. Now, it's supposed everything has to work. I'm fixing this bucket for the rear lamps. We have all the sockets just to have a test. Wait for the glue to dry. And the light takes a little while to switch off. Ah, yes. Then we have the other lights. One, I turn the car on. 2 and 3, but here we have the glass. So, okay, it seems that it works. And so we can make this. Okay, body refitting made. Okay, not great works, just some little things. Front lights, the glass. Now I'll show you my way to have a new glass. Not perfect, but good enough. My way to do lamps glasses is this. A piece of transparent, not polycarbonate, perhaps if you find square flat, could be nice. Polycarbonate, otherwise other plastic transparent, not too gummy. Then I stop with tape on a paper, something you can cut, you can throw away. Then this in this position and this here, in order to go always straight. For this lamp I have just to do vertical lines. There are not strange forms, curves and so on. It's a central light, a profundity light. It's just a deep light, just vertical lines. And so you start doing with a very sharp point, doing this. 1, then you move 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, until you have a lot of this, you know. 1. If you want, you can have something with millimeters, just to have always the same, but I think that with your eyes it could be sufficient. And here and here. You do a lot of this because you have to choose the best one. And then it's not finished here. It's not sufficient to cut around, and to cut around I will show you the tool you have to use. you have also to curve. This is not flat. I mean, yes, it's a little bit curved. This is dirty inside. Undo the lamp and wash. So, keep on going with this. And at the end you will have something like this. Now curve. This is the shape I need, and my way is, I don't know if it's the best way to do this work, but is what can I do? Of course you have to have something here all around here to push it down. It's vacuum forming. It's sort of, I make so this and then this, and if it's not sufficient, a little bit more, and this. When it gets okay, you see, then I cut this part, put there, and we have the front. To cut I use this, and we have different sizes, and so to choose the right size, first I checked here, then I made this for trial and it's perfect, so I made another one, and now I'm going to cut. And to cut I need a hammer. This has this tool, but it has the point here, so I have to take in my hand, find the center as better as I can, then keep it very firm, then okay. It's coming. Just a little bit more, finding the exact position. Precision is all what you need to do this kind of works, and lights too. Here perhaps. Yes, maybe. Okay. Scissors better. A little bit larger. Okay. No, okay, no. No, it's okay. Then we follow. Let's see. It's very nice. It looks real. Oh wow, fantastic. Transparent glue and mount. You know how to put the glue with where is it? With a stick. Down. Done. This is new, and this is brighter than this one. I try to wash, take out the lamp and wash inside. I want the same brightness and color. And for today the work is done. This is my Delta. I love it. Brake lights and switch off the light, then switch on the car's lights. Et voila. Fantastic. I love it. What next? The test on the track. Off-road and on-road track. Fantastic. I love it so much. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and up to the next with the test. Fantastic.